Hi dear students, welcome to Divyam Zoo class. Today our topic is Phylum Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes belongs to animal kingdom. Aschelminthes, it otherwise called Helminthes, and more than one name also having, that is called nematoda. And what are the general characters of Aschelminthes? It is a triploplastic, bilateral and pseudo-coelomate animal. You know what is the meaning of triploplastic? 3 germ layers are present. That is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Each and every layers it is responsible to develop a organs. So it is a triploplastic animal. And bilateral. If you cut in the central axis, we can gain the equal parts. That is called bilateral. And pseudo-coelomate. Pseudo, it refer false. Coelo, it refer fluid. So the gut and the body wall in between the false coelo, there is a false fluid is present. It is resembling like a fluid is present, but there is no fluid is present. So absence of fluid. We are not calling for absent, that is called false coelo. That is called pseudo-coelomate. So it is a triploplastic, bilateral and pseudo-coelomate animal. Normally as Aschelminthes, we know that the head is absent but the mouth is present. And different examples are coming under by Aschelminthes. For Aschelminthes, what are the examples like Ascaris, Ucheraria, that means roundworm, filarial worm, hookworm, like a ribworm. So different types of worms, everything it is coming under by Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes, normally the digestive systems are well developed, that is organ system grade of organization. But the skeletal system and nervous systems are absent. Just it will be respire by using a surface, body surface. And the circulation process, everything done by a glands. Gland cells are present, and excretory organs also it will be released through the gland cells. And the bodies are unsegmented. You know the difference between segmented and unsegmented. Segmented means you can just imagine a earthworm. Earthworm body, it's contain more segment. But here the roundworm, Ascaris and hookworm, this worms and all is not having a segment. So it is the unsegmented animal. It is the unsegmented animal. Body is very soft and it will be attached by the method of hook and suckers. It is some animals are parasite, some of them free living. You know what is the meaning of parasite? It will be depending upon other living organism. And what is free living? It is living in soil. The best example of parasite, the parasite means it is an endoparasite. Endo, inside the body, especially inside the intestine. That is called Ascaris. Ascaris, it is present inside the intestine, in human intestine. So two different type of Ascaris is there. One is called male, another one female. How we can find out it male and female? If the male, it will be curved. At the same time, female, it will be elaborated and cylindrical body. So Ascaris, normally it will be cause the disease in man, that is called ascariasis. That is Ascaris lumbricoides. It will be create the problem in abdominal pain and intestinal areas is creating somewhat cramps and pains. So these problems and all, it will be occur in stomach. It will be cause the disease that is called ascariasis. So Ascaris, and one more name also having, that is called roundworm. And Ucheraria brachytrophy. That is another name is called filarial worm. And the filarial worm, it will be cause the disease in man, that is called elephantiasis. You know what is mean by elephantiasis? Elephantiasis, it will be affecting in the leg. Directly it will be affecting the lymph node of the leg. So the lymph node is going to elaborate, and swelling means automatically our leg also it will be elaborate. That is called elephantiasis. Is caused by Ucheraria brachytophy. That is filarial worm. And reproduction normally that is internal. At the same time, both the male body contain male sex organ and the female body contain female sex organ. So it is a unisexual reproduction. So when the reproduction time, either male and female, it will be made and it will be producing the young ones. So the fertilization process is internal, inside the parent body. So this is coming under by phylum Aschelminthes. This is the major features of Aschelminthes. And more than we know that the size it will be differ. Even a millimeter to a centimeter. Like that the size it will be differ. If you like my channel, you can subscribe it and you can click a bell icon. You can get the notification. Thank you.